out with the boys tonight. Sheesh. What's up, my G?
What's up, what's up?
It's cracking. This is like day 1000 something of seeing Nick. Know, what's up, bro? Sheesh. We got the C63S. Clean, clean. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have no idea what we have planned for today, but I'm with Nick, the homie Mark, the homie Andy, and I think we're just gonna get food right now. We're gonna cruise. Not too sure what we have planned yet, but I'm here vlogging it for you guys and bringing you guys with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's get the video cracking. Sheesh, look at that lineup though. Rev it, let's hear it. Dude, that's crazy. V8 bi-turbo, guys. I wish BMW would have kept the V8. At least V8 bi-turbo, that would have been really nice. No, V8 bi-turbo, guys. Sheesh. E92 M3, guys. Damn, dress black. Gotta love the sound of the V8s. That thing sounds clean. What's up? Dude, this C63 though. Oh my god, dude. Guys, literally the craziest C63S. It sounds insane.
Hey, Nick's gotta get out the car already.
Oh, get out, fool.
I don't think we fit.
That sounds crazy. We got a clean lineup. The only Benz here, it's so funny. Damn, they look good though. It's crazy, we got 3 great cars and 1 gold one. We're all vlogging? Oh my gosh, we're all vlogging. Well, they were closed.
That's sad. Damn, sick ass plans, like always.
I know, man. We did all that parking for nothing. Dude, this thing sounds crazy. Should we try to race him? It wouldn't even be worth his gas. Let's check this out. This shit looks crazy. As you guys can hear by the sound of this car, it's just a beast.
Trap AMG.
Damn! See that?
See the polish on that?
That thing is too clean.
Polished turbos?
Yes, Lord.
Which is not good.
Yeah, it sounds insane. Yeah, seriously.
No.
Seriously, V8 bi-turbo, guys, you guys can't beat it.
I got used to the noise.
You can't compare it to our car. 3 great cars. That's just crazy. Homie Mark. Mark needed gas and we left him behind. We're all mobbing on the freeway. Felt bad. Jesus, bro. What is that?
Bro, it's dessert.
Is that a donut?
Man, that shit looks bomb.
It's dessert, bro.
Yeah, a donut.
Bro, I love shake. Bro, he said that they shred a donut inside the shake. Bro, that shit looks bomb.
Alright guys, we're gonna go to a rooftop, get some content. Alright guys, so we got all of the cars lined up as you can see. Which one would you guys take? F80, C63S, M4 GTS, F80 M3. Comment down below right now. I don't know guys. I really want to drive this car. I've never driven a C63S tuned and all that stuff. I'm curious to know how the power is on this thing. I think he said he only has upgraded turbos and downpipe, I believe. That thing still must push crazy power. Sheesh, you're good, you're good. This way, this way. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. This way, this way, this way, this way. He almost hit Nick's car, bro. He did not know how to drive. A little bit more? Did he really? That's good. He was so close to your car.
How close?
Bro, I kept telling him this way, and he literally going this way, bro. He was right here. I'm surprised he did not hit. That's crazy. Even Mark was tripping out. Mark was tripping out, bro.
Or you can put it on sport.
Okay.
Plus.
Alrighty, guys. Oh
Kevin
my
in a
gosh,
AMG?
dude. How do I look in a Mercedes?
Not good. I'm just kidding.
Really?
You belong in a Beamer, bro. Yeah. You're good to go,
Oh
man.
my gosh, dude.
Can you control this, brother?
I hope so. Alrighty, guys. So we are going to be driving the Mercedes-Benz C63S.
And
Oh my goodness, dude.
How do you work this?
Wait, are we gonna
Hit it,
pop it?
right? Kevin, don't crash, please.
I'm not.
Hey, hold on. Let me start going.
Oh
There's no way this thing sounds like this, bro. This is the one thing I love about Mercedes, bro.
Hey,
It's
chill
the
though. We're not
sounds.
wearing seatbelts.
Why don't you just go to the parking car?
I want to hit the streets, dog.
There's no way. You gotta dip.
Well, this one's trying to pass
All right.
it too. Hey,
So-
go right here. Go right here. Oh my.
Well, this is the most your lens zooms
Bro,
out.
the way this thing sounds is so orgasmic.
Oh, fam.
Oh shoot.
Kids are watching.
Oh shit, bro! I was actually scared.
God,
I'm not holding on. I'm holding two cameras, bro. That shit feels scary.
oh, you're wild.
Wild!
You're wilding, bro.
Oh my
Bro,
god!
this thing is insane.
Bro, you're wilding. Oh!
You hear the buzz?
Dude. Just like the whole interior too, like all the carbon, it's super nice, bro.
There he goes. There he goes.
This car's sick, dude.
Bro, just go ahead and let off so you can hear like the
Okay.
blow of him.
Yeah, do that a couple times.
Finally go on. Oh, it sounds insane, huh?
It sounds like it's growling, but it's insane.
This just sounds way better than F80, guys.
There you go.
We all have F80s and we like this better.
Yeah?
Honestly, sick
You like
ass
it,
car.
bro?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, bro.
And the
I still
sound for me?
I still need to add
man.
fuel pump.
I don't think you need to add anything.
We'll do
I
it in
think
the
it's
video.
perfect the way it is. I don't know. Trade the GTS for a C63S? Should be crazy. Time to go to Benz, gang. And so for you to put it in drive, it's with this little knob right here. You just hit up or down. It's super different than a BMW, but I love all the carbon here. Just super luxurious. And of course you get like the power, you get the sound, the V8. Very nice car. Mercedes AMG. I've always had love for the AMGs. All the Mercedes AMG lineups, just beautiful. It's just crazy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Super freaking sick
Hopefully
whip.
you AMG owners.
Yeah, for real. After this video, were you scared?
No. Yeah, with you driving?
were.
Yeah.
You were scared.
I was, bro.
What about when I did that little U-turn?
I was not expecting that. That was pretty
Yeah.
cool. Okay, you can drive. You gotta do that.
I was like, I'm gonna surprise them real quick. Alrighty, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit that subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications and follow me on Instagram. Take care, guys. See you on the next video. Peace.